Today I'm going to share with you a few secrets that will help you rank on Instagram based on hashtags. So the first thing that you want to do is go subscribe to this channel and watch the video till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ravina. I speak everything about digital marketing and how to grow your digital marketing presence. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help you grow your digital marketing presence with crucial algorithms. So let's get started. But let's keep in mind that Instagram is now a keyword search app and it promotes keyword search in the search bar or search explore page. Okay, so the number one and the most important secret of ranking on Instagram with hashtags is add the hashtags to your captions. If you don't know, Instagram is now a keyword search application and you can search for platforms, posts, hashtags, people and even business accounts based on keywords. So if you have these keywords and hashtags in your caption, you will rank higher on search. So the number one thing is to keep your hashtags in the caption itself. Now if you don't want your caption to look spammy, one thing you can do is use the post related hashtags in the caption and rest of your common hashtags in the comment section as you used to do before. Number two, and the second most important thing that you want to keep in mind, is use hashtags based on your account volume or account following. This is time and again I have said this and I will say it again, that go watch one of my videos based on how to search for hashtags on the number, based on the number of followers that you have at the moment. And if you're growing, keep changing your hashtags. Don't keep using the same hashtags over and over again. This will harm your growth itself. If you are a small account, you want to use hashtags that are in the range of 1000 posts to 2000 or 5000 posts. If you can rank for hashtags that have 100 posts, it's a score because you are going to be engaging with similar accounts in that hashtag and you will grow organically. The third secret that I want to share with you is use less or smaller hashtags. I would recommend you using hashtags lower than 100,000 posts in your caption itself, because the best way to rank is to decrease your competition yourself. So if you add these hashtags in your caption, you decrease your competition and increase your chances of ranking. By this, you even increase the shelf life of your post. The fourth secret that I want to share with you is many people don't consider shadow banned hashtags or researching if a hashtag has been shadow banned or banned. Now what is the problem with this? Even if you have done a good time researching for your hashtags, you are using great hashtags, but one or two hashtags are shadow banned, you not only decrease the reach of your post, but you decrease the reach of your entire profile. So researching shadow ban hashtag is more important than researching your active hashtags, because a shadow ban hashtag can impact the entire profile and not only just a post. And repeating shadow ban hashtags is even worse. So if you are using your hashtags repeatedly and you are using them for more than 6 to 8 months, I recommend you researching them and checking if one or two of your hashtags have been shadow banned or not. So these are the major hashtag secrets that I keep in mind and follow religiously for all my clients and Instagram accounts. But I have a bonus tip for you. So as I said that you should post your hashtags in your captions and majorly post the hashtags that relate directly to your post at the moment. You can do this when you're posting and publishing your post right then and there. But when you comment in your comment section, I would recommend you to wait it out for 12 to 24 hours so that you have given the hashtags in your caption to play their role and maximize your presence on Instagram and gain as much retention as possible through those hashtags. Then after 12 to 24 hours, when you add your hashtags in the comments section, you increase your shelf life even more, and the post gets a boost with other hashtags, and hence your shelf life of the post is higher. This way you can rank higher on Instagram itself. So if you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what all I can talk about more that would interest you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel so I can bring more value to this channel and more value to you people based on crucial algorithms. Bye. See you next week.